Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel Mindfulness with Pratibha. Mistakes are inevitable part of our life, and then we feel low, we feel emotionally low, we emotionally or mentally low, and then we create lot of burden in our life where we are not able to move forward and enjoy what life has to offer. Life is full of abundance, life is full of opportunities, life is full of fun, life is full of peace, happiness. We cannot enjoy because we are in the process of feeling guilty, regret because of the mistakes that we have done. So let's do Ho'oponopono for all the mistakes and release all the negativity for our mistakes that we have done in our past and present life. So take the responsibility and let's do Ho'oponopono for it. So first of all, relax your energy, take a deep breath and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for all the mistakes that I have done in my past and present life. I'm sorry, dear universe, for all the mistakes that has happened because of me. I'm sorry, dear universe, for all the not taking responsibility of my mistakes and running from it. I'm sorry for all the mistakes that has hurt someone in somebody's life and hurt myself and feeling so low for it. Please forgive me for not owning my mistakes and running from it. Please forgive me for not enjoying the process of life and instead of feeling so guilty, so feeling so frustrated and angry towards myself and towards any situation or people. Please forgive me for not owning my mistakes, for not being responsible for my mistake, for not taking actions for my mistake. Please forgive me if I've hurt anyone in this process, if I've caused any trouble to myself and to the people around me. Thank you, dear universe, for guiding me that I needed this healing. Thank you, dear universe, for letting me know that mistakes are good too, so that we improve ourselves, we upgrade ourselves, take the responsibility for it, and also, if necessary, take help from others to fix our mistakes. Thank you, dear universe, for guiding me to heal me in this process. Thank you for showing me the path that yes, I can grow, I can be stronger, I can be respectful. I own it now, and because I'm owning it, I'm feeling so good now. I'm ready to forgive myself. I'm ready to forgive all those people and situation for all the mistakes that has happened. I love myself the way I am. I love the fact that mistakes were giving me or telling me to upgrade myself. Mistakes were telling me that I should take responsibility. I love for the fact that now I'll take help. I'll always fix it. I'll always look out for the solutions that how can I fix it? How can I improve the things that has happened in my past? I love for the feeling that everything is fine. I own my mistake, and I'm sure that with the help of my effort, with the help of the universe, and with the help of any guidance that I'm getting, I'll improve, I'll fix it, I'll own it, and I'll just be happy with whatever has happened. And I choose to release all my negativity towards any person. I choose to forgive myself. I choose to forgive all the mistakes. I choose to release all the blaming and complaining for myself, for others. I choose to release all the negativity that I have for myself and for others. I choose to always be getting help for my all the good things instead of living in the past, instead of living getting regret, feeling guilty, feeling frustrated. So thank you, dear universe, for guiding me to becoming a good person and enjoying the process of life. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you to all my mistakes. thank you for upgrading me. Thank you for owning my mistakes. And I'm sure I will be a better person. I will be an respectful person. I will own it and I'll fix it. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you to all the things that have happened. Take a deep breath and release whatever comes to you in that situation, whatever is feeling that you feel because of the mistakes that have happened. And I'm sure with all the responsibility taken, with all owning of it, you will be a better person and feel relaxed and improve and be good in your future life, in present life too. So with that, hope I have helped you release all the negative aspects towards the mistakes that has happened. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.